네, 안녕하세요, 친구들. 반 친구들, 여러분. 오늘은 월요일이죠. 2024 8월 29일이에요. 다들 주말 잘 보내셨나요? 저는 주말에 하루 종일 집에 있었어요. 집에서 쉬고 넷플릭스 많이 보고 터키 드라마를 많이 봤는데요. 여러분, 반 친구들 주말에 뭐 하시나요? 뭐 하시나요? 맛있는 거 많이 드셨나요? 오늘 월요일이에요. 다들 힘내시고 화이팅 여러분. 직장 동료들. 지금은 우리 여행 왜냐하면 일 있어요. 저는 그냥 한국어 말하기 연습이에요, 친구들. 왜냐하면 우리 같이 공부하자. 그냥 공부하자만. Guys, I'm gonna speak English because my Korean almost gone. That's all. As you can see, guys, we're walking like 15 to 20 minutes in the morning. Same also in the afternoon after work. So 15 to 20 minutes. Then subway. Yeah, we're already inside. And I'm gonna show you guys my travel expenses for today. I want to thank also for those who helped me how to use this vending machine. You were going to Sinanyan. Let's find, where is it? Sinanyon. More. Sinanyon. Sinan 안 돼요. Okay, Sinanyon. How much? One ticket. Okay, one ticket. 2,100 plus 500. We can claim that kapag mag-out. Okay, let's go. So we need to have ticket card. Single entry lang po yan. So let's go. We need to walk fast. Alright, there you go. So 종안봉 평원부터 신논현까지. Alright, because it's Monday, it's a lot of people. Monday until Friday. So there you go, guys. We're inside already. Okay. And then we will transfer to red line. I know. I choose to ride in a bus. I just ride in a bus this morning. I can still use my unlimited card. I'm using unlimited card for 1 month, 63,000 in 1 month. So but can also we can only use that card along Seoul only. Red line, we cannot use that card like Shinbundang line. So we will go out and we will ride in a bus going to Gangnam. So there you go, guys. As you can see, a lot of nice and high buildings, mostly in Gangnam. So did you see, guys? As you can see, we are now in the bus. There you go, guys. But we need to walk like how many minutes? 10 minutes to our workplace. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I want to shout out also all my workmates who helped me how to travel from Duncheondong to Gangnam. Gangnam to Duncheondong. Now I can travel now. How to use card. And then see, looks like haggard na. I'd rather want to go early in the workplace because if I gonna leave the house like 8 o'clock, oh my goodness, I'm running out of time. Now, as you can see, I have a ponytail because I finished already my work. It's like for 3:30. 3:30 already the time, and now we're going back to subway, heading to Chung'ang Pyeongwon. It's a bit hot here in Korea because it's like summer already. Summer is really summer. So that's why in the afternoon I have a ponytail. And now we're back to subway. I'm gonna show you our expenses this afternoon. It's okay, guys. Which is important is we have work, we have income. I'd rather want to work than to stay in the house and do nothing. It makes me feel bored. I love to work. And guys, we need to get again the single ticket. Now I know how to use that now. Vending machine. Thank you, guys, for helping me. All my workmates, and all your support. Thank you so much. So we're heading to Sinanyan. This time from Gangnam to Sinanyan. So let's find where is the Sinanyan. More. Two. Okay. Sinanyan. Touch it. Okay, how much? Alright. 2,700. We can claim 500 later. Okay. We can pay bills, we can pay coins. It's up to you guys. This is my activities every day. Traveling. And it's a kind of exercise also. Walking. And then taking a video while walking. I like that. But in the afternoon, guys, I feel like I lost my energy while walking. I walk now a bit slow. Okay, Sinanyan. Okay, there you go. Let's go. Sinanyan. So, as you can see, did you see that error? But because I don't see people where I can ask, so I just ignore that. So maybe later we can encounter error again. So when we arrive in Jeongam Pohon Pyongwon, there is staff there, so I feel like we can ask them. We will ask help. So Gangnam to Sinanyeon. First station only. One station only. Then transfer. I don't talk, guys, in a video because I don't have my microphone. Sinanyeon to Sinanyeon. Gangnam to Sinanyeon. Okay, there you go. That's my routine. Fighting Eurobond. It's important to have a job. Now, work here in Korea is not much easy. It's a bit difficult, but it's difficult if we don't have work, guys. If we don't have job, it's difficult. It's really difficult. We can buy something we want. Food. We can buy food we want. If we want to buy something, we can buy. Everything is expensive here in Korea. So important. So work is very important here. Work is life here in Korea. So fighting Eurobond, kabayan, fighting po tayo. So tiis lang po, tiis at tiyaga. Alam kong walang trabahong madali. Kumbaga sipag at tiyaga na lang po tayo. Tiis na lang po tayo, guys. Kasi mahirap naman po ang mawalan ng trabaho dito sa Korea. Lalo na po kung meron po tayong mga pamilya, mga anak. Talaga pong tiis na lang po. Tiis, sipag at kunting tiyaga. Kasi pag may tiyaga po, naniniwala po ako kapag may tiyaga, may ilaga. Ayan guys. So, yun na nga po. Mag-ano na tayo. Transfer. Pag transfer po natin, ito na po yung huli natin sasakyan. At hanggang dulo na po yan. Hanggang Chong'an Pohon Pyongun. Pag hindi na naandar yung train, yun na po yun. It means bababa na po tayo. Tingnan nyo po pag sakay ko. Mahabang station po yan, dadaanan. Basta pagka pinakadulon-dulo na siya, baba na lahat ng tao. Kaya hindi po tayo makakalagpas kasi yun ang pinakadulo, pinaka-last station. Tingnan nyo po, halos wala ng tao sa upuan. Kasi, na nga po yan, dulo ng walang hanggan na. Malayo po talagang binabiyahe ko mga chinggo. Dahil nga kailangan natin magtrabaho, kaya kailangan po natin ng tiyagain. Tiyaga-tiyaga lang po talaga. Lahat ng bagay ay, kailangan po natin ng tiyaga. Tiis at tiyaga. Yan. Hindi na masyado makasalita. Medyo pagod na rin po. Tingnan nyo, walang masyado nakasakay na, diba? Tsaka pagdating dyan sa station na pong yan, lahat na po bababa. May mga kasabay pa naman ako, pero konti na lang po. Kasi pinakadulo ng station. At pagkatapos naman po dito, yan, maglalakad naman po ulit tayo papunta sa bahay. Kagaya na sinabi ko po, mga 15 to 20 minutes, ganyan. Pero pag umaga, paspas po ako maglakad. Paspas. Dahil pag iba na yung maaga makarating kaysa yung late na ako dumating. Nakakapag-ready pa ako ng sarili ko. Nagagawa ko pa yung mga dapat.
Nakababa na po tayo sa Chong'an Pohon Pyongun last station.
Nakakataranta na. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Di ba kanina nag-error? Ayan guys, tingnan nyo po.
Ay, nag-error. Ay, putik.
Ayun, di ako makapasok. Nag-error siya.
저와주세요. 이거요. 왜 안 돼요? 이거요. 승차권이 처리가 안 된다는데요? 딴 거 없어요? 이거 말고 딴 거. 딴 거? Yan guys, hindi tayo naka-out kanina. So, try ulit natin. Yun, okay. Ay, kasi guys, hindi po ako nakapag-out. Wala po akong nakitang out kanina eh. Dire-diretso lang po yung dinaanan ko. So, buti na lang po nagtanong po ako doon sa information. Last station, ayun po. Pagkatapos po nito, may lakad pa po tayo ng mga 20 minutes po. Na po yan, 4:30. Pero tingnan nyo po, araw na araw pa yan. Parang napansin ko po na matagal dumilim dito sa Korea ngayon. Tingnan nyo po, parang tanghaling tapat pa, tapos mainit guys. Nakapayong yung iba
Kasi pag ako'y nagpayong, nagdala ako ng payong, naiiwanan ko siya. Yan, oh. Malapit na po tayo sa bahay. Yan, maglalakad nga po tayo. Guys, thank you for watching po. Madalang po tayo makapaggawa ng video kasi nga po medyo may mga busy din po tayo sa ating buhay. Yan. Talagang exercise po talaga.